That was a good Coca-Cola. Uh, Wait a minute. Wait a minute. The girl who made Dr. Pepper got 2 million rand. Oh, this is a commercial. This is true. Oh, now I'm making it. Now I'm making a commercial. A Coca-Cola commercial. Jesus, it's doing millions of rand. Coca-Cola, the way you love it. Zero sugar, zero sugar. Let's go. Zero sugar, no Coca-Cola. Soft drink, 3 ounce Coca-Cola. The World Cup, official partners, ingredients here. Ingredients here, let's name them there. Energy 1, 3, protein 0.1, and all the ingredients here. You can take a photo, store in cool and dry places. Cold, 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 zero sugar. The way you love it, Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, yeah, the way you love it, Coca-Cola, the way you love it, Coca-Cola, the way you love it, Coca-Cola, the way you love it, Coca-Cola.